Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have admin access and the limited network. Start now by setting the connection as metered. Open Settings, select Network, choose the active adapter and flip on Metered Connection. This forces Windows to defer many updates and background downloads. Once done, go to Privacy right arrow Background Apps and turn off unneeded programs, because apps chewing bandwidth will bust your cap. Finally, pause cloud sync services like OneDrive or Google Drive, so they don't immediately upload large files while you configure stricter controls. Next, lock down automatic updates and app downloads. Go to Windows Update and choose Advanced Options to notify before downloading. This prevents surprise large updates. Then, open Delivery Optimization and cap upload/download percentages to a low value or set it to 0 if needed. Make sure Microsoft Store and other updaters are set to manual. Use built-in firewall rules or a reputable data limiting application to block or throttle specific processes, since controlling per app traffic is how you prevent a single program from consuming your remaining allowance. Finish by enforcing limits and monitoring usage constantly. In Settings, open data usage and set an explicit data limit, then add alerts at thresholds such as 75% and 90% so you get warned before overage. Schedule large downloads, backups, and updates for off-peak times or when you're on an unmetered connection, and prefer wired connections if they're cheaper or more reliable. Verify with a real-time network monitor to ensure rules work. If something breaks, restart the network stack or temporarily revert your firewall rules to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.